Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is DNA replication. Question number 1. Which of the following molecule has the property of self-replication? Option A. Prince and DNA. Option B. DNA and RNA. Option C. DNA only. Option D. RNA and Prince. The correct answer is Option B. DNA and RNA. Question number 2. Which statement is correct regarding the functioning of the topoisomerase enzyme? Option A. Act as a primer. Option B. Binds to supercoiled DNA and relax it. Option C. Separate double standard DNA. Option D. Renaturate the DNA. The correct answer is Option B. Binds to supercoiled DNA and relax it. Question number 3. Enzyme can cleave and join DNA molecules. Option A. Primase. Option B. DNA polymerase. Option C. DNA ligase. Option D. Gyrase. The correct answer is Option D. Gyrase. Question number 4. The approximate length of Okazaki fragments in prokaryotes is Option A. 500,000 nucleotides. Option B. 10,000 to 10 lakh nucleotides. Option C. 1,000 to 2,000 nucleotides. Option D. 100 to 200 nucleotides. The correct answer is Option C. 1,000 to 2,000 nucleotides. Question number 5. Which of the following is a DNA binding motif? Option A. Helix turn helix. Option B. Helical wheel. Option C. Loop helix loop. Option D. Helix loop helix. The correct answer is Option A. Helix turn helix. Question number 6. In eukaryotes, the shortening of chromosomes from ends is prevented by Option A. Telomerase and transpose. Option B. Telomerase. Option C. RNA polymerase and telomerase. Option D. DNA polymerase and telomerase. The correct answer is Option B. Telomerase. Question number 7. One strand of DNA has 20% cytosine, then the percentage of adenine would be Option A. 30%. Option B. 60%. Option C. 20%. Option D. 40%. The correct answer is Option A. 30%. Question number 8. The curve for the renaturation of denaturated DNA is Option A. Hyperbolic. Option B. Direct. Option C. Inverse. Option D. Linear. The correct answer is Option A. Hyperbolic. Question number 9. C-value measures. Option A. Diploid genome content. Option B. Haploid content of the genome. Option C. Aneuploid genome content. Option D. Polyploid genome content. The correct answer is Option B. Haploid content of the genome. Question number 10. Deoxynucleotides have underscore at their 3 end. Option A. O. Option B. CH3. Option C. H. Option D. NH3. The correct answer is option A. O. Question number 11. The function of telomerase is option A. Replication of normal DNA. Option B. Reverse transcriptase of causing cancer. Option C. Synthesis at RNA primers. Option D. Synthesis of DNA at ends of chromosome. The correct answer is option D. Synthesis of DNA at ends of chromosome. Question number 12. Which of the following enzymes are used to join bits of DNA? Option A. DNA ligase. Option B. DNA polymerase. Option C. Primase. Option D. Endonuclease. The correct answer is option A. DNA ligase. Question number 13. Semi-conservative replication of DNA was first demonstrated in option A. Escherichia coli. Option B. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Option C. Salmonella typhimurium. Option D. Drosophila melanogaster. The correct answer is option A. Escherichia coli. Question number 14. Mode of DNA replication in E.coli is option A. Conservative and unidirectional. Option B. Semi-conservative and unidirectional. Option C. Conservative and bidirectional. Option D. Semi-conservative and bidirectional. The correct answer is option D. Semi-conservative and bidirectional. Question number 15. When DNA replication starts, option A. The phosphodiester bonds between the adjacent nucleotides break. Option B. The bonds between the nitrogen base and deoxyribose sugar break. Option C. The leading strand produces Okazaki fragments. Option D. The hydrogen bonds between the nucleotides of two strand break. The correct answer is option D. The hydrogen bonds between the nucleotides of two strand break. Question number 16. The elongation of the leading strand during DNA synthesis. Option A. Progresses away from the replication fork. Option B. Occur in 3-5 direction. Option C. Produces Okazaki fragment. Option D. Depend on the action of DNA polymerase. The correct answer is option D. Depend on the action of DNA polymerase. Question number 17. Eukaryotes differ from prokaryote in the mechanism of DNA replication due to option A. Different enzyme for the synthesis of the lagging and leading strand. Option B. Use of DNA primer rather than RNA primer. Option C. Unidirectional rather than bidirectional replication. Option D. Discontinuous rather than semi-discontinuous replication. The correct answer is option D. Discontinuous rather than semi-discontinuous replication. Question number 18. True replication of DNA is possible due to option A. Hydrogen bonding. Option B. Phosphate backbone. Option C. Complementary base pairing rule. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is option C. Complementary base pairing rule. Question number 19. Unwinding of DNA is done by option A. Helicase. Option B. Ligase. Option C. Hexanuclease. Option D. Topoisomerase. The correct answer is option A. Helicase. Question number 20. DNA synthesis can be specifically measured by estimating the incorporation of radiolabeled. Option A. Uracil. Option B. Thymine. Option C. Adenine. Option D. Deoxyribose sugar. The correct answer is option B. Thymine. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.